Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mustard salad dressing. To begin, you will need just a few key ingredients. Start with a good quality Dijon mustard, your preferred vinegar, like apple cider or white wine, and a suitable oil. A common and effective ratio is 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar, ensuring a well-balanced dressing. This simple foundation allows for endless customization, creating a versatile and delicious addition to any salad. Now let's mix. Combine your mustard and vinegar in a bowl, whisking until thoroughly blended. This initial step helps to emulsify the dressing. Next, slowly, and I mean slowly, drizzle in your chosen oil while continuously whisking. This gradual addition is crucial for creating a smooth, creamy emulsion that won't separate. Once combined, season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of pepper, adjusting to your preference. The beauty of homemade dressing is customization. Feel free to experiment with various mustards. A whole grain mustard adds texture, while honey mustard offers a sweeter profile. Consider adding fresh herbs like finely chopped dill or chives for an aromatic twist. For a hint of sweetness, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. You can also introduce a clove of minced garlic for an extra layer of savory depth. Once your delicious dressing is complete, proper storage is key. Transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will generally stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days. Before serving, give it a good whisk or shake, as natural separation can occur. This dressing is perfect for green salads, as a marinade for chicken, or even as a dip for fresh vegetables. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.